Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, so we are trying to get to a waterfall today. Waterfall it is called Orglice Slap, and we are here on the parking. To reach it, you must have a car to come here, and yeah, it says it's about 1 hour walk. This means for me at least 2.5 hours one way, because I walk slowly, as you might know. And yeah, let's see if I can make it. We will try. So this is the path to the waterfall, a small forest road. And yeah, let's see where it leads us. As you can see, the path is getting narrower and narrower, but okay, I can still manage this, so let's continue on this path. There's the river, and we continue straight. So this is the beautiful crystal clear water that comes from that waterfall from the mountains. And look at its color, it's beautiful. So we continue towards the waterfall down there, and we came from this path up there. This goes down to the river as well. So this river is just a mountain stream from the mountains that is called Kamniška Bila, and it goes into the river called Kamniška Bistrica, which then runs along its way. Trapped in the middle of the mountains. Dried up river, but the water is underneath. It comes from out there. And behind that mountain is Austria, the Alps. They found some mammoth bones here. We go up to the hospital. Quite a climb. Somewhere there was the partisan hospital, and after that I hope we'll make it to the waterfall. And here is local animals, badger, rabbit, and that thing that lives in the water. Ooh. Taking a break. So peaceful. Somewhere there has to be the waterfall where the mountain ends. I think so. So half more hour maybe, or 1 hour for me. I'm just afraid that it will be there because the river is like dried up here. I hope there's water. And tall Alps all around, and there's the exit. And then they start again, all around. And here's the path that you take. Interesting rock. I had to turn back because the slope was just too steep, and I'm afraid of heights, so no way Jose. And I asked the people, there's no water at the waterfall, so it would be pointless to go to see Waterlice fall. So we're heading back. Ooh. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.